In this video, I will show you complex number operations that have more than one step. So for this first example, we need to distribute this 2. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 2 multiplied with positive 3i will be positive 6i. And over here we have a negative times a 2, which is negative 2. And a negative times a negative 7, which is a positive 7i. So anything that is in front of any parentheses, go ahead and distribute. And now it is simply combining the regular parts. So negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. And the imaginary parts, positive 6i plus 7i is positive 13i. For this example, we have three things that are being multiplied together. We have this negative 3. We have this first complex number, negative 4 plus 5i. And we have the second complex number, negative 2 plus 4i. And we know these are all being multiplied together because we do not see any plus or minus signs in between. So let's begin multiplying. First, I'm going to multiply this. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Negative 3 times positive 5i will be negative 15i. So now I'm going to take this one and then copy down the second complex number, which is negative 2 plus 4i. And so now we simply have two complex numbers that we need to multiply together. So 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. 12 times positive 4i is positive 48i. Negative 15i multiplied with negative 2 is going to be a positive 30i. And finally, negative 15 times 4 is going to be a negative 60i squared. And we know that I squared is negative 1. So negative 60 multiplied with negative 1 turns into a positive 60. And so here we can get our answer. So let's put the real parts together. We have negative 24 plus 60, which is going to equal to positive 36. And for the imaginary parts, we have over here positive 48i plus 30i, which is going to be a positive 78i. For this example, the first complex number, we need to distribute this I in the front. So I times negative 8 is negative 8i. I times positive 5i is going to be a positive 5i to the second power because we have two i's being multiplied together. And here we have positive 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12. Positive 2 times negative 7i, which is going to be negative 14i. And so over here, this I squared, we know that this is going to be a 5 multiplied with a negative 1. So this is going to be a negative 5. Now for the final answer, let's put the regular numbers together. So negative 5 minus 12, which is going to be a negative 17. And then the imaginary numbers together, negative 8i minus 14i is negative 22i.